Today I'm going to show you how to make this animation using Canva. Go to Canva and click video. Let's open this video resolution. Click on the background. Click background color and scroll down to gradients and choose any gradient from here. Go to background color again and you can change the colors as you want. Go to text and type your text and duplicate your word 7 times and drag this handle and change the font and change the color. Go to effects, go to curve and increase the curve and increase the size of the circle. Place it in the middle and duplicate. Decrease the size of the second one. Place it inside. Click on the text and change the color. Click in this text, animate, scroll down to rotate. Click on the another one, rotate and change the direction. Add new page and type another text again. Drag this handle to make the text in one line and change the font to Anton. And change the color. Go to effects and make left shadow. Increase the intensity. Copy and paste in this page and increase the size of the text. Go to animate, create an animation, hold shift in the keyboard and drag from the right to the left. And make steady. Click done. Go to elements and let's choose this image. Go to layers, show layers. Make sure you make this text in the top, then the image. Let's decrease the size and place it in the middle like this. Animate with pop. Click on enter and make the minimum of the speed. Scroll down and choose wiggle. And here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva. Subscribe